Hi, in last session we saw how to install SonarQube. In this session we are going to see how to install SonarQube scanner. So basically the scanner is needed for the scan your source code and generate all the reports. So for this installation, just go to this website and just if you are using Windows and just click here, or if you are using Linux, just whatever the versions you are using, just according to that you have to download. Since this session I will be using Windows 64-bit, so I will be downloading this as I've already downloaded and kept in local. So I will be skipping this downloading process. So once you extract that Sonar scanner, just go to your Sonar scanner directory. See, I have kept here Sonar Cube. Under this, I have Sonar Cube here. Sorry, scanner. And just inside this, I have the bin directory. So we need to set the path for this. So just copy this and have to go to edit system variable. Then just click that environment variables. Then just go to the path now. Just edit this and you need to make one entry here. Just type here like till this bin. Just give OK. Then just give again OK. So now we have configured the Sonar scanner for SonarQube. To check this, just go to command prompt again. Clear screen. Just enter sonar hyphen scanner v. So it's showing now this Sonar scanner. So we have successfully installed Sonar scanner. So in next session we will be seeing how to scan using the Sonar scanner and SonarQube. Thank you.